Hey there, folks. Today we're talking about a Chamomile Blister Balm recipe. Chamomile is known for its ability to ease pain and promote healing, making this balm perfect for blisters. It can also be used for minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. This soothing balm is a handy remedy for minor skin issues. What you'll need is a 3/8 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 20 drops of chamomile essential oil. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Melt the oils. Combine the olive oil and coconut oil in a double boiler over low heat. Stir until the coconut oil is fully melted. Step 2. Cool and add chamomile. Remove the mixture from the heat and let it cool for about 2 minutes. Stir in the chamomile essential oil until well mixed. Step 3. Pour and cool. Transfer the mixture into a small jar or tin. Allow it to cool completely. Then secure the lid and label the container. Step 4. Apply the balm. Gently apply a thin layer of the balm to the blister. Cover with a bandage or blister pad if needed. Step 5. Store and reapply. Reapply as needed. Store the balm in a cool, dry place. If kept moisture-free, it will last for up to 1 year. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.